All right, so a couple of months ago, I had this idea where I would use my Oculus Quest 2 and my Steam Deck as a controller to play my Steam games and VR games, my Steam Deck to the Oculus Quest 2. But yeah, what's up, DeskuMob? It's your boy WhiteDesku. And in today's video, hopefully this still works. I tried this months ago and it worked, but if it doesn't work, this video may not come out. If it does, then it worked. I know the first thing some of you are gonna say is, wait, Oculus Quest 2? Yes, I got the Oculus Quest 2. I don't got the Meta Quest though. Like, I bought this during the pandemic. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do this is obviously you're gonna need any VR headset that you got in your possession. For me, I got the Oculus Quest 2 and Steam Deck, LCD or OLED. I got the LCD version right here. My Steam Deck PS5, if you can hear the sounds. Hey, no, there's an outcast. Wait, it looks like it worked. Yep, it's working. I don't like this way because it doesn't work all the time, but it does work. So like they updated since last time. So this is how we're gonna do this. Now we got the casting side work. It's time to grab the Steam Deck. So this is what I do for the Steam Deck. Next thing you want to do is go to the option where you check your pairing or remote play and whatnot. I already got my Oculus Quest set up on it already. See Oculus Quest 2. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. But yeah, I got the Oculus Quest set up. So all I gotta do is just go to steamlink, and that's how I would play everything through here. I just use my Steam Deck as the main hub for everything. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like right quick. I don't know how stable this is gonna be. It should be pretty stable, but I'm gonna use my controls for this for now until I get everything like completely set up. So see, I got Steam Link right here. And I already have my Steam Deck connected from the last time when I did this, so it's just for like non-VR games. And now all I gotta do is just pick up my Steam Deck, and here we are. Voila, everything you're seeing on my Steam Deck is now on the screen. I can see it in VR. Now we're fully integrated with Steam. And I think it'll show it right here with my hands too. I don't know if it's showing it, but it's showing me holding my Steam Deck. So I gotta turn on the volume on my actual Steam Deck. If I don't, it's gonna have like double the audio. Now I should be able to hear everything right from my VR headset. I don't know, Spider-Man, that'll be pretty cool. Spider-Man in like VR somewhat. Use that as an example, y'all. Hope I don't bump into my microphone. I could share the audio too through the PC, but at the same time, I don't want to overlay all that audio because it could come out really messy. If I were to tell y'all what it looks like inside the VR headset for me, it's basically like, imagine like a big TV screen. Like imagine your computer monitor being double the size right in front of you, like you're playing on a TV. That's what it feels like while I'm just using my Steam Deck here as a controller. It's nice. It's like you're bringing a TV with you wherever you go when you have the VR headset on. That's why I like doing this. So I figured I can make a short video showing y'all how to do this. If you didn't know how to do this already. If you did, then GG's. And when I found this out, I was like, bro, this is nice. I don't even have to worry about being on a TV really, because I can just do this. This is what it looks like when I'm doing this. Basically, I'm just, on the VR headset. It's like a big old TV in front of me, and I'm just using this as a controller. So, and the quality seems to hold itself up pretty well with the Steam Link app, so I'm glad. You're basically just using the Steam Deck as your main hub for everything when you're trying to play games. Quality's like decent. It's not super good, but it's not the worst either. Of course, you can adjust that based off of your internet, but still, this is decent enough for me. It's just like I don't know who this is for really. It's just something that I personally like doing, so I figured I'd share my own little experience with y'all if y'all haven't done this already. But it's like basically having a giant TV right in front of you. This is the closest y'all gonna get to playing GTA in VR in a sense. So bright in front of me, man. It's like I told you, it's like having a big old TV screen right in front of you. This is basically what you're gonna look like the whole time. Just give me all right. This is what you're gonna look like. Yeah, that's what you're gonna look like doing this. I mean, it's full immersion, but it's really if you enjoy doing this. You don't gotta do this, obviously, but casting to this is actually interesting. Wow. GTA looks like very fuzzy on here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It looks very fuzzy for some reason. Yeah, I'll be taking that. This is gonna be so cool whenever we get GTA 6 on PC, but I know that's gonna take a long time, like a long time. It's a good thing I got a PS5 downstairs, man. It's cause like the connection's dropping a little bit. I promise y'all, I actually drive a lot better than this in GTA. Hopefully y'all see these frame drops. I don't know what's going on though. Oh, bro. I'm telling y'all, it's not me driving. It's because of the frames are. Bro, these frames, like, they're dropping. It's driving me insane. Like everywhere, like every time I think I'm driving in the straight direction, I keep skipping every second. My friend, I have a SMG. Look away, y'all. Look away. Don't look what I'm about to do. Dang it, these frames keep skipping. But yeah, well, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Would y'all do this? You probably wouldn't. It's just something to do if you want to have a more immersive experience with your Steam Deck. If you happen to have a VR headset lying around, whether it's old or new, you know, obviously it works. Obviously it'll probably be a lot better if it was like the newer ones, but I wanted to make this anyways because it's something that I found pretty cool personally to myself, and it's something that I had lying around. I don't use often, but I need to start using it more if it worked better. But yeah, make sure you give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe if you're new, and hopefully this is something that you at least want to try out once. At least once. I don't know, man, but yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.